Hi guys, you're welcome back. I think we'll be getting a wedding invitation from our favorite love guests, Chrisville and Chris, as they went to the studio to take what looked like a pre-wedding photo shoot. See new photos of Ultimate Love contestants Double Chris. The couple posted a photo of themselves looking so good together, and you will love what you see. In the photos they posted on Instagram, Chrisville was seen in an all-white native outfit, while our lovely Princess Chris was seen in a white trouser and a pink turtleneck top. Recall Chrisville and Chris had a rough ride in the Ultimate Love part before they were paired together to become Double Chris, and since then their love has been a story on everyone's lips. And Double Chris came forth in the Ultimate Love reality TV show where Rosie and Kachi won the ultimate prize. So since the end of the Ultimate Love, Double Chris, Chrisville and Chris have been updating fans on the love life. They've been keeping it real, and up till now they're still waxing strong, and we're waiting for the day Chrisville is going to pop the question, because he already sees Chris as his wife, and from all comments and indications on social media, he calls Chris sisters and mother his in-laws. And then we're just um waiting for the main question, waiting for him to pop up the main question to Chris and make Chris his wife. Okay, guys. What are your thoughts on this? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below.